Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we will talk about on how you can create faceless videos with Invideo AI. Now, as of the moment, there is this new tool called Invideo AI where we can go ahead and type prompt into this tool right here, and it will go ahead and generate us with a complete video ready to publish. Now, to get started, you want to head over to your browser right here, and once inside, you want to open up or you want to search Invideo AI. You want to navigate through the website called invideo.io, and from here you can now go ahead and see this page. From here we have this feature where we can generate AI videos with just text, transform your imagination into eye-catching videos, stand out, succeed, and create content that's ready to share and build to stand out. Now take note that you don't need any credit card in order to use this tool right here. Now, to get started, you want to navigate through the button called Generate Video Now, and right after it will then take us to this page right here where we basically have to log in your account. If you don't have one, it's really easy to create. All you have to do is to go ahead and log in using your Google, Facebook, and more. From here, it will now take us to this page where we can now put our prompt into the text box. Now, you want to make sure that you are using the Invideo AI version 3.0 because this is the latest version right here with generative media, new voices, plugins, and more. To get started, you want to type your prompt right here, but to make it easier, you can just choose one of the prompts or presets that they have. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and click on Create AI Short because let's just go ahead and say that I want to create some AI shorts right here. Right after that, you can now go ahead and modify this the way you want to. First things first, you have this one, create a rapid cut short video for YouTube about something. You want to go ahead and type your topic right here. In our case, since we're talking about AI, let's just go ahead and put artificial intelligence right here. And right after, you then have your settings. If you click on this button, it will now open up this pop-up menu where you can select only generated media or only stock media. Let's go ahead and leave this at only generated media, and from here you can add more prompts in order to customize this the way you want to. Now let's go ahead and add some background music, and from here let's go ahead and put fast and energetic. Right below that you have your language. Let's go ahead and pick on English. You have your captions. You have voice actors. You have your watermark, music preference, and style. Now I'm okay with the choices that I've made right here. So the next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and click on continue. Right after that, the choices that we have made on this menu right here will be imported into our prompt that's ready to be generated. From here, we have create a rapid short video from YouTube about artificial intelligence. Here are our settings. We have use only generated media, make the background music fast and energetic, use a male clear American voice for narrator. From there, I'm also going to add some subtitles, so let's go ahead and put that right here. And right after, you can now go ahead and click on generate a video. And so guys, once again, this is completely free. You don't need to insert your credit card into this tool right here. You can use this anytime you want to. And basically right after loading in, it will ask us additional options right here. First things first, you have your visual style. It's going to be realistic, animation, or anime. Let's just go ahead and click on realistic. You have your duration right here. In our case, let's go ahead and put it at 1 minute. And lastly, you have your platform. Let's select YouTube Shorts right here. Right after that, you can now go ahead and click on continue once again, and it will now go ahead and generate our videos. But before that, you want to proceed by clicking on continue if you want to use the free media stock right here. And so right after generating our video, it has presented us with this amazing work right here. Let's go ahead and watch it together before we edit out some other elements of the video.
Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts believe AI is the future? Let's find out. From your smartphone to your smart home, AI is here. It's in your voice assistants, predicting your next binge watch, even driving your car. But that's just the start. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, diagnosing diseases faster than any doctor. It's reshaping education, personalizing learning just for you. And in finance, AI is detecting fraud before it even happens. Imagine a world where AI grows your food, manages your energy, and yes, even becomes your creative partner in art.
And so with that, as you can see, this video is ready to be published and posted on our social media accounts. But before that, let's just say that you want to edit some part of the video right here. So to do that, it's really simple. I know it's really complicated if you want to edit some things on your video, but you don't know how to edit. Well, in this tool, we can also go ahead and put the prompt of the video in order to edit the result right here. Now let's just go ahead and say that we want to change the tone or the voice of this specific video. So let's just go ahead and put something like change the voice of this video and change the actor to a British male. Right after that, maybe you want to remove the subtitles right here. So you can just go ahead and put something like remove the subtitles. And if you're done, you want to click on generate and it will go ahead and edit our video right here based on our prompt. And right after, it has presented us with this message right here. Subtitles removed, but unfortunately the editor right here cannot go ahead and change the voiced actor. So if you want to instead change the clips or the videos inside this final product, you want to go ahead and click on edit right here. And inside, you can now go ahead and access every stock footage or generative media on our final video. Now let's just say that I want to edit out this part right here. It will then highlight the current message for this specific port. And if you want to change this video right here, all you have to do is to click on the uploaded media. If you want to upload your own video, you have your stock media and generative media. In our case, let's go ahead and select the stock media right here. And once inside, you can then go ahead and find tons and tons of video to choose from. I'll go ahead and click this one. And right after, you can now go ahead and see that we have managed to replace the video without actually editing it by ourselves. From there, you want to click on proceed, click on save changes, and it will now go ahead and present us with the final edit right here that we have made. And without actually doing the video editing ourselves, we have managed to generate our own faceless video right here.
90% of tech enthusiasts believe AI is the future. Let's find out. From your smartphone to your smart home, AI is here. It's in your voice assistants, predicting your next bit.
And so guys, I hope you'll be able to use the Invideo AI right here to its full potential to generate your own faceless AI videos. If this video has been helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.